Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME Q5 PRO device, and now I'm gonna show you how to add and how to remove Google account on this device. Firstly, open settings, then scroll down. Here you will see users and accounts. Choose account you want to remove, click on the three dots button, click remove, OK. Confirm your fingerprint or pattern lock, and that's it. As you can see, I have no Google account on my device now. And if you want to add Google account, again, other Google account or the same Google account, so click users and accounts and click add account, click Google account. You can add 10 Google accounts on one device, remember it. Then just enter your email, enter your password, click next, I agree, scroll down, click accept, and that's it. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.